2020 జేఈఈ మెయిన్ ఫలితాలలో ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ విద్యార్థుల ప్రభంజనం. ఆల్ ఇండియా అన్ని కేటగిరీస్లు 18, 35, 251, 253, 582, 606, 778, 780, 812, 821, 1031, 1039, 1303, 1575, 1654, 1753, 1754, 1978 ర్యాంకులే కాక మరెన్నో ఉత్తమ ఫలితాలు సాధించిన విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్. ఈ ఫలితాలు సాధించడానికి కారణమైన లెక్చరర్లు మరియు తల్లిదండ్రులకు మా కృతజ్ఞతలు. ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్.
Longitudinal stationary waves. We already discussed about transverse stationary waves. Longitudinal waves means what is meant by that? The direction of propagation of the wave is in the vibration of the particles must be in the direction of propagation of the wave. So that is called longitudinal wave. During the propagation of the longitudinal wave, what we can observe? Compressions and rarefactions. The distance between two successive compressions is lambda. Distance between two successive rarefactions is lambda. We know about that. So where we can observe longitudinal waves? Generally in solids, liquids and gases, everywhere we can observe longitudinal waves. Now mainly we can discuss about this longitudinal stationary waves in case of gases we can observe. In that first, mainly these longitudinal waves in case of gases, we have two conditions here. So open pipe and closed pipe. Open pipes and closed pipes. What is meant by the open pipe? Open pipe must be open at both ends and closed pipe must be closed at one end. So one end must be open in any situation, one end must be open, and open pipe means both ends must be open. Closed pipe means only one end must be closed. So in this situation, if the longitudinal wave enters into this open pipe or closed pipe, how those waves can get reflected? So that is important. So formation of stationary waves. How the stationary wave is formed? If the wave reflects and the incident wave and reflected wave are superimposed, then we can observe stationary wave. How the wave can get reflected in case of open pipe? Of course, closed pipe we have the obstruction. Definitely it is a obstruction, it is not possible to move out. So generally we are moving, if there is a wall, mana goda guddukunnam anko mana enake vastam chachinattu. There is no way to move, there is no way to move forward. So that's why definitely there must be a reflection at the closed end. Then how the reflection exists at the open end? That is important. How the reflection exists at the open end? గేట్ ఓపెన్ చేసి నువ్వు కూర్చోరా అంటే కూర్చుంటారా? సెక్యూరిటీ లేడు, గేట్ ఓపెన్ చేసి ఉంది, మీరు ఆ క్లాస్లో మీరు అంటే ఎవడు కాపలా లేడు, కూర్చుంటారా అంటే కూర్చుంటారా? మరి వెనక్కి ఎట్లా వస్తాడు పోయినాడు? సో వేవ్ ఎంటర్స్ ఇంటూ దిస్ ఓపెన్ పైప్. హౌ దిస్ కెన్ గెట్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ హియర్? నోబడీ ఈస్ దేర్, no protection and no reflection possible. There is no possibility of reflection. How it is possible? పోయినోడు ఎవడైనా వెనక్కి వస్తాడా? వస్తాడు. ఎగ్జామ్స్ టైంలో చచ్చినట్టు వస్తారు. లేకపోతే ఇంటి దగ్గర బాగా ప్రెషర్ ఎక్కువైతే బాగా వస్తారు. రారా? చచ్చినట్టు వస్తారు. ఇంటి దగ్గర ఎంతకాలం భరిస్తారు మనల్ని? ఫస్ట్ పోయిన 2 రోజులు అనుకోండి, అబ్బా మా అబ్బాయి బాగా ఇంటికి వచ్చాడు, చక్కగా వండి పెడదాం అనుకుంటారు పేరెంట్స్ కూడా మంచిగా. వారం రోజులు ఏంటంటే రే ఎప్పుడు వస్తావురా కాలేజీకి. ఇంకో లాక్డౌన్ కాబట్టి తప్పలేదు పాపం. అదే ఎప్పటికైనా ఇంట్లో బాగానే షంటింగ్లు పడి ఉంటాయి. చదవరేంట్రా ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని అసలు అయిపోయింది కదా, అంతా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ కదా. కొంతమంది ఇంట్లో కనపడరు, కొంతమంది అసలు ఇంట్లో కనపడరు. ఎప్పుడు చూడు ఏదో వాలీబాల్ కోర్టులు అంట ఊళ్ళో అసలుకి. సో హౌ ద వేవ్స్ గెట్స్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ ఓపెన్ పైప్. సో ఫస్ట్ వీ కెన్ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ క్లోజ్డ్ పైప్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ we can first, for example, if we send the sound waves, let us say sound waves, into this closed pipe. For example, compression reaches to the closed end. If the compression reaches to the closed end, then what happens? Compression reflects as compression. Closed end, compression reflects as compression. Next, rarefaction reflects as rarefaction. See here, compulsory there must be a, actually in case of longitudinal wave we don't discuss about crests and troughs. Generally in case of longitudinal wave it is not possible because compressions and rarefactions are formed in case of longitudinal waves. Crests and troughs are not formed. So but for understanding purpose we can discuss about like that. So longitudinal wave, compression, rarefaction, how these get reflected, how they superimposed, we don't have clear visibility, right? ఇప్పుడు కంప్రెషన్ వచ్చిందండి, మళ్ళీ కంప్రెషన్ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అండి, ఈ రెండు సూపర్ ఇంపోజ్ అయినాయి, నోట్స్ ఎలా ఫామ్ అవుతాయి, యాంటీ నోట్స్ ఎలా ఫామ్ అవుతాయి? హౌ కెన్ బి డిస్టింగ్విష్ దట్? నాట్ పాసిబిలిటీ. సో దట్స్ వై హియర్ ఆల్సో వీ కెన్ కన్సిడర్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ వేవ్ ఫామ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, if the compression reaches to the closed end, it reflects as compression. That means at the closed end always there must be a node. Remember this, it's compulsory. Always at the closed end there must be a node. Always at the open end there must be a antinode. These 2 points are compulsory. So if the compression reaches to the closed end, it reflects as compression only. What is meant by the compression? Density is maximum, pressure is also maximum. Compression means if all the particles are crowded together, that is called compression. Rarefaction means all the particles are displaced, that is called rarefaction. So compression, rarefaction. If the compression reaches to the closed end, it must be reflects as compression. If the rarefaction reaches to the closed end, it must reflects as rarefaction, like this. And definitely at the closed end there must be a node. At the open end there must be a antinode. Always these two conditions must. Now, in case of open pipe, how the reflection takes place? So that is important. See here, if the wave is sent into this open pipe, for example, if the compression reaches to the open end, already one end must be open. Definitely one end must be open. If we send the wave into this closed pipe, if the compression reaches to the open end, what is meant by the compression? Maximum pressure. Compression means maximum pressure. So outside so this is the pipe. Out of that means around that pipe there must be the surroundings. So if the compression reaches to this position means compression is the maximum pressure region, but outside minimum pressure region. So always object must flow from high pressure to low pressure. So that's why here the compression reaches to the open end, the compression displaced due to the low pressure region outside due to the low pressure region, due to the low pressure region outside, definitely the particles must be displaced. So particles must be displaced. That means the compression reflects as rarefaction. If the wave gets back, then the compression reflects as rarefaction. Got it? And that means if all the particles are crowded together. Best example అండి, బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఇప్పుడు మన కాలేజ్ గేట్ ఉంది, అవుటింగ్ వెళ్ళాలి. ఇక్కడ గేట్ దాకా ఎలా ఉంటారు? బాగా క్రౌడీగా ఉంటుంది. గేట్ తర్వాత గేట్ తర్వాత ఎలా ఉంటుంది డిస్పర్స్. సో దట్ మీన్స్ కంప్రెషన్ రీచెస్ టు ద ఓపెన్ ఎండ్, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ రేర్ఫ్రాక్షన్. మీరు వచ్చేటప్పుడు కూడా అందరు ఒకసారి వస్తారా? సో దట్ మీన్స్ compression reflects as rarefaction. Simple example. Compression reflects as rarefaction. So in the same way, if the rarefaction reaches to the open end, rarefaction reaches to the open end. So that means rarefaction in the sense low pressure region. Rarefaction means low pressure region. Outside this pipe, pressure is more when compared to rarefaction condition. Outside this pipe, the pressure is more when compared to rarefaction condition. So due to this, that means the gas or air rushes towards the low pressure region. Air rushes towards the, any object in this universe must flows from high pressure to low pressure, no doubt about that. So if the rarefaction reaches to the open end, low rarefaction in the sense low pressure region, low pressure region. So due to this, here it is the high pressure region somewhat. Due to this, air rushes towards the low pressure region. So rushes towards the low pressure region means it becomes fulfilled. So that means compression reflects as rarefaction. Rarefaction reflects as compression. So that is in case of open pipe. In case of open pipe, compression reflects as rarefaction, and rarefaction reflects as compression. But in case of closed pipe, compression reflects as compression. Compression reflects as compression, and rarefaction reflects as rarefaction. Compression reflects as compression, rarefaction reflects as rarefaction. So this is open pipe and closed pipe, how the reflection takes place at the open end and closed end. Next we can discuss about formation of the stationary waves in this. What are the possible harmonics and what are the possible overtones exist in these situations. So first, formation of longitudinal stationary waves. Formation of longitudinal stationary waves in closed pipe, let us say. First condition, closed pipes. So closed pipe in the sense one end is closed and other end is open. నేను వర్టికల్గా కన్సిడర్ చేయొచ్చు, హారిజాంటల్ ఎలా అయినా మనం ఇన్వర్టెడ్గా కూడా కన్సిడర్ చేయొచ్చు. మనం ఎలా తిప్పినది క్లోజ్డ్ పైప్ అవుతుంది. వన్ ఎండ్ ఈజ్ ఓపెన్, అదర్ ఎండ్ మస్ట్ బి క్లోజ్డ్. నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీ? ఫస్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీ, సో ఆల్వేస్ ఎట్ ద క్లోజ్డ్ ఎండ్ there must be a node, at the open end there must be a antinode. So the first possibility is like this. If the compression reaches to the closed end, the compression reflects as compression. So at the open end there must be a rarefaction, at the closed end there must be a compression. That means node and antinode. So first case, what is the distance between the node and antinode? Lambda by 4. Distance between node and antinode is lambda by 4. Let us say lambda 1. And this is nothing but length of the pipe. So the distance between these two ends is nothing but the length of the pipe. Here this is node and this is antinode. Distance between node and antinode is nothing but lambda by 4. So here length can be written as lambda 1 by 4. Length of the string is equals to lambda 1 by 4. So from this lambda 1 is equals to 4L. Then the frequency F1 can be written as frequency formula V by lambda 1. Frequency formula is V by lambda 1. So that is V by 4L. So F1 can be written as V by 4L. So this is called fundamental frequency. So fundamental frequency or first harmonic. Fundamental frequency or first harmonic. So is it possible to write V is equals to square root of T by mu here? So this is F1 is equals to V by 4L. We got that relation. Here is it possible to write V is equals to under root T by mu? Can we write like that? Not possible, because V equals to square root of T by mu is the velocity of the transverse wave. Here we are discussing about longitudinal. Longitudinal, best example here we are discussing sound waves. Velocity of the sound at particular temperature. Generally this V value is 330 to 340. It varies generally. At our temperatures, our temperature regions, its value varies from 330 to 340. So that's the thing. So don't write V is equals to square root of T by mu. So that is confined only for transverse waves. T is the tension, but in case of these open pipes, where the tension exists, where the linear density exists, does not exist. So that's why this is V here is the velocity of the sound. V is the velocity of the sound. So this is the first possibility. Second possibility, what is the second possibility here? At closed end there must be a antinode. At closed end there must be a antinode, and at open end there must be a node. At closed end there must be a node, at open end there must be a antinode. That is situation. So this is the next possibility. Next possible frequency. So one closed loop and again half. So the distance between this is, let us say, lambda 2 by 2. Distance between two nodes. Here is it. Distance between two nodes is lambda by 2. And the distance between node and antinode is lambda by 4. So from this length can be written as lambda 2 by 2 plus lambda 2 by 4. This is nothing but the length of the length of the pipe. L can be written as lambda 2 by 2 plus lambda 2 by 4. So how much it is? 3 lambda 2 by 4. So from this lambda 2 can be written as 4L by 3. Here lambda 1 is equals to 4L and lambda 2 can be written as 4L by 3. So F2 can be written as V by lambda 2. So V by 4L by 3. So F2 can be written as 3V by 4L. So from this F2 can be written as 3F1. F2 can be written as 3F1. So 3F1 in the sense third harmonic or second harmonic here? Third harmonic, definitely. Whatever is the multiple, that harmonic exists. So that means here first we have the first harmonic. F1 is equals to V by 4L. F1 is equals to V by 4L. So that is the first harmonic or fundamental frequency. Next possibility, what is the next possibility here we have? F2 is equals to 3F1 or F3, let us say it is lambda 3, because lambda 2 does not exist. Second possibility, let us say, everything is for our convenience only. So this is called third harmonic or first overtone. Third harmonic or first overtone. Why it is called first overtone? Overtone in the sense the frequency that is more than fundamental frequency. What is the fundamental frequency here? V by 4L. More than fundamental frequency. What is the next possibility here? 3V by 4L. That's why it is called first overtone. There is nothing between these two. So that's why this is considered as first overtone. Next possibility, third one is in this Next possibility is like this. So next possibility, 2 loops and 1/2. So this is sorry 2. Distance between two nodes lambda by 2, and it is lambda by 4. So total length of the string can be written as lambda 5 by 2 plus lambda 5 by 2 plus lambda 5 by 4. So L is equals to 5 lambda by 4. So lambda 5 is equals to 4 L by 5. Lambda 5 is equals to 4 L by 5. Next, frequency F5 can be written as V by lambda 5. F5 is equals to V by 4 L by 5. So that is 5V by 4L. So F5 is equals to 5 F1. So what is this? Fifth harmonic. Fifth harmonic or second overtone. Fifth harmonic or second overtone. So this is the possible frequencies exist in case of closed pipe. V by 4L, 3V by 4L, 5V by 4L. That means first harmonic, third harmonic, fifth harmonic. So that means only odd harmonics exist in case of closed pipe. Odd harmonics exist in case of closed pipe. So see here, first here we can apply ratio of frequencies. Ratio of frequencies. F1 is to F3 is to F5 and so on. That is V by 4L, 3V by 4L, 5V by 4L and so on. V by 4L cancels. 1 is to 3 is to 5. Next possibility 7, 9, 11 and so on. So that means only ratio of harmonics here, not frequencies here. Of course, harmonic is also nothing but frequency only. So only odd harmonics exist here. Even harmonics does not exist. Next, ratio of overtones. Ratio of overtones. F3 is to F5, F7 and so on. So that is 3V by 4L, 5V by 4L, 7V by 4L and so on. So V by 4L's cancel. 3 is to 5 is to 7 and so on. So this is the ratio of overtones. Ratio of frequency, ratio of harmonics and ratio of overtones. Ratio of wavelengths. Ratio of wavelengths. What we can write it as? Lambda 1 is to lambda 3 is to lambda 5 and so on. Lambda 1 is how much? 4L. Lambda 2, 4L by 3. Next 4L by 5 and so on. So 1 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 5 and so on. This is the ratio of wavelengths in case of closed pipes. Ratio of harmonics, ratio of overtones, ratio of wavelengths. Next. Next, ratio of longitudinal stationary waves in open pipe. How the harmonics and overtones exist in case of open pipe. Let us discuss about this. So first part pipes is, in case of open pipes, at the open end there must be a antinode. So there must be an antinode in the sense both ends there must be antinode. So let us say this is the first possibility. Both ends there must be the antinode because both ends are open. So now, so this is lambda 1 by 4 and this is also lambda 1 by 4. Let us say it is length L. Okay. So what is the condition in case of formation of stationary waves in open pipe? Means in case of open pipe both ends must be antinode. In case of closed pipe, at the closed end there must be a node, open end there must be a antinode. Here both ends are open, both antinodes. So that's why length can be written as lambda 1 by 4 plus lambda 1 by 4. That means lambda 1 by 2. Therefore lambda 1 can be written as 2L. So frequency F1 can be written as V by lambda 1. So F1 can be written as V by 2L. This is called first fundamental frequency. Fundamental frequency, and it is first overtone, first harmonic also. Fundamental frequency and first harmonic. So next possibility here, second possibility is that is the next possibility. Both ends must be antinodes. In between these two, one loop. So this is the total length of the string. This is lambda 2 by 4, lambda 2 by 2, lambda 2 by 4. Node and antinode, distance between node and antinode, lambda by 4. Two nodes, lambda by 2. Node and antinode, lambda by 4. So length can be written as here lambda 2 by 4 plus lambda 2 by 2 plus lambda 2 by 4. So L is equals to 4 LCM lambda 2 plus 2 lambda 2 plus lambda 2. So L is equals to 4 lambda 2 by 4. So lambda 2. L is nothing but how much? Lambda 2. That implies L is equals to lambda 2. For our convenience, multiply and divide with 2. Then second frequency V by lambda 2. Lambda 2 is 2L by 2. So F2 is equals to 2V by 2L. Actually this is V by 2L. If you don't consider 2 here, this becomes V by L. If you don't consider 2 here, this becomes V by L. Just for our consideration, we can multiply and divide with 2. So F2 is equals to 2F1. This is second harmonic and first overtone. Second harmonic and first overtone. So next possibility, third condition is like this. Next possibility. This is the total length of the string and it is lambda 3 by 4, lambda 3 by 2 and it is also lambda 3 by 2 and it is lambda 3 by 4. Length can be written as lambda 3 by 4 plus lambda 3 by 2 plus lambda 3 by 2 plus lambda 3 by 4. So total how much? 3 lambda by 2. L can be written as 3 lambda 3 by 2. So from this lambda 3 can be written as 2L by 3. Lambda 3 is equals to 2L by 3. So frequency F3 can be written as V by lambda 3. So V by 2L by 3. So F3 can be written as 3V by 2L. So that is F3 is equals to 3F1. 3F1 means this is third harmonic or second overtone. Third harmonic or second overtone. So here first one is, what are the conditions exist here? First one is V by 2L. Second one is 2V by 2L. Third one is 3V by 2L. That means all harmonic exist. First, second, third, like that. All harmonics exist. ఇట్లా ఇంకా మధ్యలో ఎన్నైనా పెట్టుకుని మనం డ్రా చేసుకుంటా పోవచ్చు. So why we are drawing this means just what are the possible harmonics exist, what are the possible overtones exist. For that purpose only we are doing this. So what is the ratio of harmonics? What we can write? V by 2L, 2V by 2L, 3V by 2L and so on. So that means 1 is to 2 is to 3, next 4, 5 and so on. That means all harmonics exist here. All the possible harmonics exist. Next, ratio of overtones. So that is first overtone is 2V by 2L. Second overtone is 3V by 2L. Next one is 4V by 2L and so on. So that is equals to 2 is to 3 is to 4 and so on. All overtones exist. All the possible overtones exist here. Next, ratio of wavelengths. Ratio of wavelengths. Lambda 1 is to, lambda 2 is to, lambda 3 is to and so on. What is lambda 1? 2L. Lambda 2, 2L by 2. Lambda 3, 2L by 3 and so on. 1 is to, 1 by 2 is to, 1 by 3 and so on. So these are the possible harmonics, overtones and ratio of wavelengths in case of open pipes and closed pipes. మీకు ఐపీ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో ఒక లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ కంప్లీట్ అయినట్టే వేవ్ చాప్టర్లో పక్కా లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్, అందులో ఇది ఒకటి కంపల్సరీ. మొన్న ఒకటి మాట్లాడుకున్నాం, స్టేషనరీ వేవ్స్, ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ స్టేషనరీ వేవ్స్ ఇన్ ఏ స్ట్రెచ్డ్ స్ట్రింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ మేబీ ఓపెన్ పైప్ ఆర్ క్లోజ్ పైప్, రెండు కలిపి ఇవ్వడండి, ఏదో ఒకటే ఇస్తాడు. ఈజియెస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనమాట. కొంచెం బుర్ర. డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ టూ నోట్స్ ఎంత, టూ యాంటీ నోట్స్ ఎంత, నోట్కి యాంటీ నోట్కి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్, అది తెలుసుంటే చాలు, ఇంకెంతైనా రాసుకుంటూ పోవచ్చు మన ఇష్టం. Here one more important thing is end correction. End correction. End correction in the sense, see here, in case of closed pipe or open pipe. For example, if the wave reflects at this position, it does not stops exactly at the open end. Does not stops exactly at the open end. It may move forward through a small distance. Maybe move or may not be move. That is different. But expectation, possibilities. Possibility of moving the wave outside the open end. There is a possibility or not? Definitely there is a possibility. To overcome that, we have to define end correction. End correction means actually we are calculating the length from this position to exactly at the open position, up to here only. But if the wave moves forward, if the wave moves travel outside through a small distance, then end correction can be written as E is equals to 0.6 R. End correction can be written as E is equals to 0, where R is radius of the pipe. End correction is nothing but E is equals to 0.6 R. What is R here? Radius of the pipe. So whatever is the organ, these are called organ pipes. Open pipes are closed by, these are called organ pipes. So R is the radius of this organ pipe. This is called end correction. Why we have to apply end correction? Exactly, the wave may not be stopped exactly at the open end. It may move forward. So that means length, up to what extent the wave travels, up to that extent we have to calculate the length. అంటే వేవ్ అనేది ఎంతవరకు వెళ్తుందో అంతవరకు మనం లెంత్ కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. దట్స్ వై we are considering the end correction. So for closed pipe, how many end corrections we have to apply? For closed pipe, we have to apply only one end correction because only one end is open. In case of open pipe, we have to apply two end corrections because two ends are open. So here, for closed pipe, we must apply. For closed pipe, we must apply only one end correction. We must apply only one end correction. So that is length can be written as here, length of closed pipe is equals to L plus E. After apply of the end correction, what is the length of the closed pipe becomes L plus E. So that is equals to L plus 0.6 R. L plus 0.6 R. Next, for open pipe, we must apply two end corrections. For open pipe, we must apply two end corrections because two ends are open. So now length of the open pipe can be written as length of open pipe L can be written as L plus 2E after end correction. L plus 2 into 0.6 R. L plus 1.2 R. This is the length of the open pipe after apply end correction. Length of the closed pipe after applying end correction. This is the situation. Formation of the longitudinal stationary waves in closed and open pipes.
ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.